guys, welcome back to Wednesday weigh-in. So I'm going to start something new added on to this channel because on the channel, you know, we have cooking lessons, DIYs, and motivational talks. And I have not did a motivational talk in a minute, so why not make Wednesday motivational talks and weight loss weigh-in? So let me see. Boop. On the screen over here, I'm going to put in how much I weigh this week. I'm going to try to be consistent with this Wednesday upload because, hey, I like it. I know y'all going to probably like it. And I'm giving y'all some tips and tricks on how to keep it moving. So I'm going to put my weight over here. I'm going to try to do that every week. But you know how it is. Reality kicks in. When the scale goes up a little bit, our mentality goes down. But besides that, let's get into it. So Weight Loss Wednesday vlog is going to be about food, nutrition, just motivational talks, get you in the spirit of loving, liking, and being beautiful with yourself. Put you with my favorites for July. Last month, if you go back, I have somewhere going to the clip somewhere, and you can find out what my favorites were for June. So July is done over with, and I have some great favorites. So this time I'm coming with you with some more snacks, some goodies. You know, this is Indulge with Dimples, and sometimes we can indulge a little too much, but since I do a low carb type of meal situation right now to continue my weight loss, I just want to show you some things that I like. So I have the goodie bag right here, and I'm just going to show you what I have in here. Now, I think it's like two things that I truly did not like. They were nasty. And then I have the rest of it I love. I even went back and bought and purchased again. So low carb, keto friendly, or you are a diabetic, or you have type diabetes, one or two, I believe, and I really truly will stand by these things. These Atkins bars, they have this type of style and they have a different style. These are really good. They are great. I would tell you right now, these right here, the ones that I'm showing you, they taste just like Reese's. Okay, and I am a candy fanatic, and these taste just like Reese's. They have in here, you can eat two of these because they're like miniature size. They're not as big as a Reese's, but they are delicious as a Reese's. And you can get two pieces in here. They 160 calories together. They are total carbohydrates 18, dietary fiber 4 grams, and sugar alcohol is 12. So when you get done eating these, it's only 2 net carbs for 2 of them. It's 0 sugar and 4 grams of fiber. You can find these in your weight loss aisle. So if you go into the nutritionist bar aisle, you're not going to find them. You have to get them in your weight loss aisle. These are bum. I will go back and repurchase them again. Okay, so y'all know I am a candy fanatic and I love M&M's. M&M's. Them are my go-to snack in the car, snack in the bed, snack in the movies, snack in the pool, snack. I be snacking. And M&M's are my favorite. Bam! You want to get some of these, baby. These right here are the bomb. These are a replica of M&M's, and like I said, these are good for people on low carb. They're diabetics, you are keto, or you just watching your sugar intake. These babies are the bomb. They not tasty as an M&M, but they are close to an M&M, and I'm telling you, I love them, and they are a treat. Now, you know how big an M&M bag is, so you know how like Halloween, how you get the miniature bags, just like that, baby. And it even has a little nut in the middle, so it's a crunch fest. And once again, these are 1 net carb, 1 gram of sugar, and 150 calories for 1 bag. These are the bum. I have repurchased these again. I will be repurchasing them again. Okay, so my next favorite, I like coconut patties, anything with coconut in them. I love to go to Florida and get the coconut patties. I love almond joys up north. That's because I'm going to get to a coconut patty. But I have found my all-time favorite to replace my almond joy bars for now until I hit my weight loss goals. But boom! Okay? These are the bum as well. These taste just like an almond joy. Not like a coconut patty, but just like an almond joy. And I don't have no complaints about this. It has 2 grams of net carb, 1 sugar, and 9 grams of fiber. When you eat this, you are satisfied. You don't need to go back and get 2 or 3 bars. Now, I'm going to tell you the benefit of this. It's bigger than 1 coconut patty. So, I just bought these today because I was like, I want some candy. Like, where's my candy? Look how big this bar is. Look at this, y'all. Look. this is a nice size bar. This is not no air. This ain't no Dorito bag with full air. This is a nice size candy bar. Look at that. Nice size candy bar. Size of my palm. So I love these things. One every other day. Satisfy the cravings of chocolate, okay? So my next one, I think I have a different one I like. It's the same one. I was just so, this is a 10 pack. You can get them in the 10 packs as well, the 5. So you know these were my favorite. I had a 10 pack. Ain't that greedy? Okay. Yeah, and I went ahead and got some more M&Ms. I'm telling you, these are my favorite. My favorite go-tos, okay? Now I'm going to get to the one that I truly did not like, but if you like turtle doves, this probably be for you. I did not like the pecan caramel clusters. They're 2 gram net carb, 1 sugar, and 8 fiber. I didn't like them because I'm not a caramel girl, and these have a lot of caramel in them. So if you like caramel or turtle doves, this will be your ultimate go-to from the Atkins treats. I don't like this. It was okay. You get 2 like really miniature size packaged ones, and I think it's 120 calories. If you like caramel, hey, knock yourself out. One for me. I didn't like it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you something that I've been drinking and I love to drink are these Crystal Lights. Okay, I like the Crystal Light package. These are the big ones that you can make like a gallon drink and drink throughout the week, and that's what I've been doing, and I love these. I love the pink lemonade from Crystal Light. I love the peach lemonade from Crystal Light. I kind of like the grape, but it's not my favorite, and I kind of like the punch, but it's not my favorite either. And I'm gonna tell you one that I just truly do not like, and it's at the top of my refrigerator, and I've been trying to pass them out, but for some reason nobody likes them, is the lemonade tea. That is disgusting. Crystal Light, you need to take that off the shelves because that's disgusting. But the rest of them I can fool with, but that lemonade tea, that was so nasty. I can't get rid of that, so whatever. But if you are tired of just drinking plain old water or adding like certain things, and you want like something that the whole family will enjoy, and you know if you make it, they're not going to know what it's about, you want to go ahead and pick up these Crystal Lights. They're good. They're good for anybody that's just trying to watch a lot of things. It has 0 carbs, 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugar, 0 protein, 0 sodium, 0 fat. So this is like ultimate go-to. It's hot outside, summer. Go get you one. Alright, and then my next thing that I've been loving, because you know I'm a baker, and you know around November, December, and January, February, it has to smell like Christmas in my house. If you ever watched any of my videos, you know it smells like Christmas around here. Swerve. Okay, I got the confession of sugar. I'm going to show you how I made my low carb, keto friendly / Dunkin' Donuts / Starbucks drink. Okay, it's cheaper on the dime because I'm making it, and this right here, it's the bomb. It's the bomb. It's showing you how to make what you need to make with this. And you don't need a lot because this is like super, super sweet. But you don't need a lot. And I'm going to show you maybe, oh, I can do that on Sunday cooking lessons. Show you how to make that drink. That drink right there, it's delicious. So yeah, this is my all-time favorite, and I get the granulated one too as well. I do have that. I just bought it, so I'm gonna tell you how that's going when I make my coffee or whatever I decide to make. But let me read the nutritional facts. 0 carbs. You have total carbohydrates 3. Erythritol 3 grams is in here. 1 tablespoon serving. You can get 113 servings per container. And to be honest with you, I thought it had it on here. I guess it don't. You do not need a lot. 1 tablespoon, not a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, not a tablespoon. You do not need a lot of this because it is super, super sweet. And I haven't even used regular sugar over 2 years now. And then when I finally start implementing sugar back into my lifestyle, this right here is great. And I know back then, I don't know if everybody has a Myers around where they live it, but I do. And Myers sells this. Same price you would get online without the shipping and handling if you're not an Amazon Prime member. Okay, so pick that up. Now, if you have seen any of my videos, my last but not least that I like to eat, I like oatmeal, I like cereal. So if you're the type of person, you like that oatmeal and you're like, dang, I can't eat oatmeal on low carb. I do, but it's like, it's taking a big chunk out of my low carb. Then you want to actually go ahead and get you, and I'm going to tell you right now, don't get this confused with the other stuff been going on, because this not going to do it. But, hint, okay? You want to get some of this if you are into like oatmeal grits type situation. This right here is going to be your best friend because it's going to thicken it, give you that consistency, and it is really, really good. And it has 0 total carbohydrates altogether. So together it has total carbohydrates 3, but if you take a dietary fiber, which is 3, it comes out to be 0. You get to get 3 tablespoons of this. This is great for like hot cereal, or if you like to make the overnight oats, not oatmeal. This is the bomb. I think I have a video. You just have to go to the cooking lessons in my channel, and I have it up there. You're gonna like it, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna remake it again because now I'm adding berries. I found some unsweetened coconut, and I mean, I make it like a bombo. So I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna redo this over and show you. But right here, you can get this at Kroger's. You can get it at any health food store. It's not expensive. I think I found this one at Big Lots. If anyone has Big Lots around, we got a Big Lots. They have groceries. And this right here, not expensive at all. So I'm gonna redo my non-oatmeal recipe bowl and show y'all. This is great. So yeah, go ahead and get that. So them are my treats that I like this month for January. I've been treated really good with the chocolate, with the sweets. I probably get one of these bars every other day. I take it to work with my gallon of water. By the time I get home, I'm ready for my meal, and then I'm done for the day, and it's like, I'm cool. I'm not at the vending machines looking for Almond Joy or M&M or Snickers or anything like that. I haven't ate that stuff over 2 years. I am actually down 60 pounds, and I have maintained and kept that off. Right now, I am trying to lose another 30 pounds to be at my goal, and I am doing it in front of a camera with y'all, and I've been conscious and aware of what I put in my body because, you know, as you get older, you still want to look good. You know, you want your skin to look beautiful. You want your body to look amazing. And you just want to be all around healthy. I'm trying to run that mile in 5 minutes. You feel me? So I have a lot going on, and I'm going to vlog, and show y'all. And hopefully you like it. Once again, if you like what I'm putting out, or you want some more different type of content, please leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and oh yeah, turn on them notifications to Indulge with Dimples. Cooking lessons every Sunday uploaded, and then we're going to start doing DIYs because I have a house that I need to finish up, and I've been on the shopping, I've been on the move, I've been on the go, so I'm going to show you that. And now I'm bringing to you Wednesday weigh-ins. I'm going to show you what's going on, what I'm using that's new, what is old, what works, what don't work, what's trash. I don't want you to spend your money. If I went out and did it and I'm telling you it's trash, don't do it. If I'm going out and I'm telling you it's the bomb, 2 thumbs up, do it. It's going to save you time, money, and until next time, please like, subscribe, join, comment, turn on the notifications, and I will be waiting on you to leave me a comment down below. Alright, peace out.